What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Compass remote key fob. This Jeep Compass key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we flip it over so the buttons are facing down, and then we take a look down here near the key blade. Off to the one side we can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and stick it in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in, then I'm going to twist the screwdriver, and as I do that you can see it pops that back cover up. Go ahead and pull that cover off, and in that back half we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout in this battery holder that will allow you to get your screwdriver in there and under the edge of the battery. Get the old battery out. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down, plus side down like that. And then snap it down into that holder. And now we can put our back cover on. And if this button pad has shifted around at all, get everything back into place. And then we can snap this back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.